and welcome you all in this valedictory session of add-on course on analysis and management of investment for student. I am here before you to read a report of this course. This course is started on 5th of November 2020. The president of inaugural session was Honorable Principal Dr. J.M. Sabu sir. Dr. Aarti Deshpande, add-on course committee coordinator, gave a brief introduction about add-on course and how it is helpful for overall development of students in their career. Dr. M.V. Shivate, IQAC coordinator, wished to all registered participants and share his views how it is important for NAAC accreditation. Dr. A.P. Khandelwal, coordinator of this course, gave a brief introduction about add-on course, schedule, syllabus, objectives, target audience, timings and assessment criteria. WhatsApp group name discussion forum and Google Classroom was created for sharing videos, reading material and for assessment. The course was fully run on online mode. Total 68 participants registered for this course. Some of them include doctors, lecturers, students from engineering, MBBS, commerce, arts and science faculty from Maharashtra and out of Maharashtra. This course was completely conducted on online mode. Daily 2 recorded video links were shared with students via discussion forum, WhatsApp group and Google Classroom. I want to mention the names of some participants who have registered in this course. Dr. Kalpana Kale Madam, Associate Professor, GMC Miraj, Hiya Doshi from Mumbai, Mithibhai College, Pratik Rakhe from RS Mundale College, Nagpur, Prem Parkhi and Sanjita from Pondicherry. Total 25 recorded videos, which includes 1 inauguration, 23 course related video and 1 valedictory video. 2 quizzes, feedback and 1 assignment was taken in this course. Total course duration was 30 hours. The objective to give knowledge course was to create awareness about investment in students, to give knowledge and information about advantages and disadvantages of investment, various investment alternatives. 1 assignment was given for making their own investment planning, which includes investment alternatives, bank, fixed deposits, real estate, post office saving, mutual funds, shares, government bonds, insurance, real estate, SIP, precious metals, coins and stamp collection, and any other. Participant have to plan any of the alternative according to their tenure of investment, tentative amount and purpose for which they are choosing specific alternatives, that is risk, return or safety. How to make investment plan, 5-step process were discussed in this course, which includes assess your current situation, define goals, determine your risk tolerance, decide where to invest in, monitor your investment. Each step was discussed in detail. Some investment tips for beginners were given, which include start earlier, diversify and do research. I think these objectives have been achieved in this course. Out of 68 enrolled students, 57 participants have successfully completed this course. 11 participants have attended this course. We have received 65 feedbacks from participants, which includes following points. 93% participants felt that this course was useful for personal financial management. 64 participants from the total enrolled participant want to join such courses in future too. 33% may be interested in joining such courses. 55.4% participants agreed that the information about investment provided in this course was useful. 16.9% participants strongly agree that information provided in this course was useful. 85% participants feel that schedule of course was appropriate. 76% participants rate 3 to 5 on scale that it was helpful to improve investment related knowledge. 94% participants feel that this course was helpful for financial planning. 41.2% participants feels that it gives knowledge about investment. From the suggestion received in feedback, I would like to share some of them. Very informative class and give knowledge for doing investment. Excellent. All perfect and helpful. Good course. If this course gets a shorter time period, it will be helpful. Best program, best course for student. Every student join this course. Course is very useful, very knowledgeable, easy to read and learn. No time limit to watch video. It is helpful for financing knowledge. It is good. One suggestion is to take share market related course. These are some feedbacks received from participants. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kalpana Kade, Associate Professor, Government Medical College, Beeraj. I got this information of add-on course from my friend Archana Khandelwal ma'am. It's an excellent short course to learn about investment and savings. Short videos with lot of information are very helpful to increase the knowledge and further support of investment. It is very useful for the students to learn such a things at early age to better understand about their interest and focus on investment plan for their better future. And I wish to join again such type of short courses. Thank you Archana ma'am for sharing this wonderful course with me, and thanks again to allow me to participate, though I am not a student, as this course is totally for the students. Thank you very much.
Good evening to all. This course analysis and management of investment very useful and knowledgeable. This online course is very useful for many more students. This course is conducted by Dr. Archana ma'am. Thank you ma'am. My name is A. Sajida Forvin. I am studying BCom second year at Perumdalaivar Kamarajar Arts College, Kalitittankuppam, Puducherry, affiliated by Pondicherry University. My address number 12, Pudunagar, 1st Street, Tirukkanur. Feedback: management of investment courses good and superb. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Raj from MJ College Jalgaon, creating this video on the great rewards of the whole staff for involving me in this session add-on course on analysis and management of investment. This course was all new to me and interesting. I have gained very much knowledge about the investment and its management. The test conducts were also good, and I have gained the basic knowledge about investment. Thanking the whole staff for involving me in this course and add-on course. Thank you.
मी ऋषिकेश नंदेव गावंडे, शंकरलाल महाविद्यालय अकोला. कोविड-19च्या शैक्षणिक परिस्थितीवर झालेला परिणाम पाहता महाविद्यालयाने ई लर्निंगची सुविधा उपलब्ध करून दिली. यामध्ये आम्हाला ॲडम्स कोर्स ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट अँड इन्व्हेस्टमेंट हा कोर्स प्राप्त झाला. या कोर्समध्ये गुंतवणूक आणि गुंतवणुकीची बचत कशी करावी, गुंतवणुकीचे महत्त्व, गुंतवणुकीसाठी उपलब्ध असलेल्या वेगवेगळ्या प्लॅटफॉर्म किंवा मार्ग आणि यामध्ये आपण स्वतःचे बजेट कसे तयार करायचे याबद्दल माहिती आपल्याला मिळाली. या कोर्सचे पूर्णपणे ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने झाला. आम्हाला या कोर्सबद्दल महाविद्यालयातर्फे वेळोवेळी व्हिडिओ प्राप्त झाले. वेळोवेळी ऑनलाईन पद्धतीने आम्हाला या कोर्सच्या वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने माहिती मिळाली. यामुळे आम्हाला हा कोर्स आमच्या भावी आयुष्यात खूप उपयोगी ठरणार असं सांगू शकतो मी. धन्यवाद मॅडम.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड, मी शरद रोठे, श्री शंकरराव खंडेलवाल महाविद्यालय अकोला. कोविड-19च्या प्रादुर्भावामुळे शैक्षणिक वर्ष हे ई लर्निंग आणि ई डिजिटल यामुळे तत्वावर अवलंबून झालेले आहे. त्यामुळे श्री शंकरराव खंडेलवाल महाविद्यालयाने ॲडव्हान्स अँड मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ इन्व्हेस्टमेंट या कोर्सचे उद्घाटन करण्यात आले होते. या कोर्समध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांना मार्गदर्शन देण्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाची कामगिरी केलेली आहे. यामध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांनी कशा पद्धतीने गुंतवणूक करावी हे या कोर्समध्ये सांगितलं आहे. भविष्यामध्ये विद्यार्थ्याला पैशाची विल्हेवाट कशा पद्धतीने लावावी आणि ती कोणत्या प्रकारे सुरक्षित ठेवावी यासाठी कॉलेजने SIP, LIC, बँकिंग, डिपॉझिट, गोल्ड अशा पद्धतीने कशामध्ये इन्व्हेस्ट करावी हे महत्त्वाचे मार्गदर्शन आमच्या महाविद्यालयाने आम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड केलेले आहे. त्यामुळे विद्यार्थ्यांनी ह्याची भविष्यामध्ये चांगल्या पद्धतीने गुंतवणूक करते आणि विचारपूर्वक आपली पैशाची गुंतवणूक करते यासाठी महाविद्यालय महत्त्वाची कामगिरी केलेली आहे. धन्यवाद मॅम.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव दर्शन मोहन श्रीवास. गुंतवणूक म्हणजे काय? गुंतवणूक म्हणजे बचत किंवा ठेव. हातातील पैसे योग्य ठिकाणी गुंतवले तर भविष्यात आर्थिकदृष्ट्या आपण स्थिर होऊ शकतो. गुंतवणूक करण्याबाबत वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची मते वेगवेगळी असतात. काही तरुण म्हणतात, छे अजून तर मी खूप तरुण आहे, माझ्याकडे अजून खूप बराच वेळ आहे. तर काही तरुण लोक नोकरी सुरू झाली की बचतीचा गुंतवणुकीचा विचार करतात. वॉरन बफे यांच्या मते गुंतवणुकीचे फायदे आज नाही भविष्यात दिसून येतात. म्हणून वेळीच गुंतवणुकीची सुरुवात केल्याने ठराविक आर्थिक शिस्त लागते, भविष्याचं नियोजन करता येतं. सर्व लोक समान पर्यायांना विचार करीत नाहीत. प्रत्येकाचे विचार, गुंतवणुकीची कारणे आणि उद्दिष्टे वेगवेगळी असतात. कुणाला भविष्याच्या परिवारासोबत परदेशात सुट्टी घालवण्याचा बेत असतो, तर कोणी मुलांच्या शिक्षणासाठी योजना आखीत असतो. कुणाला सेवानिवृत्तीचे वेध लागलेले असतात. भिन्न व्यक्तींना भिन्न कल्पना जरी असल्या तरी सामान्यपणे काही गुंतवणुकीची कारणे सारखीच असतात. म्हणून गुंतवणूक करणे हे फार फायदेशीर आहे. तसेच गुंतवणूक हे प्रत्येक व्यक्तीने केलीच पाहिजे. तसेच आम्हाला जो अर्चना खंडेलवाल मॅडमने ॲडव्हान कोर्स सांगितला होता त्याबद्दल मला ॲडव्हान्स कोर्समधून खूप सारी भरपूर माहिती मिळालेली आहे. तसेच मॅमनी गुंतवणुकीबद्दलचे जे व्हिडिओज आम्हाला सांगितलेले आहेत, तसेच आम्हाला जी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळालेली आहे ती खूप फायदेशीर आहे. त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे गुंतवणूक, कोणत्या प्रकारच्या गुंतवणूक असतात हे सुद्धा सांगितले आहे. तसेच ॲडव्हान्स कोर्समध्ये मी एक माझं धैर्य निश्चित केलेलं आहे, ते म्हणजे हायर एज्युकेशन लोन. म्हणजेच आपण आधीपासूनच शिक्षणासाठी जो पैसा लागतो तो गुंतवणूक करून ठेवायला पाहिजेत. हे मी त्यामधून योग्य प्रकारे शिकलो आहे. तरी ॲडव्हान्स कोर्समधून आम्हाला भरपूर माहिती मिळालेली आहे. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, all students who have participated in add-on course on analysis of management of investment, for which has been arranged by Department of Accounts and Statistics, Shankarlal Khandelwal College, Akola. I congratulate all the participants for taking active participation in this add-on course and completing all the aspects within time. The COVID-19 pandemic has driven us to change our lifestyle. We are relied on online facilities and platforms. Due to this situation, everything has shifted to online mode. Banking, education, conferences, seminars, everything has shifted to virtual mode. We at Shankarlal Khandelwal College also shifted everything in online mode so that our students will not have to suffer for their education. We at Shankarlal Khandelwal College have arranged this course online for the same. The students and the sudden and unprecedented circumstances due to COVID-19 pandemic affected the whole academic community. COVID-19 doesn't stop us from doing our work as we are conducting all our activities in online mode. This course is a part of extracurricular activities to inculcate different values among students from different parts. These values will prove helpful to them for maintaining stress-free and good financial life. The end of the story is the beginning for many others. On this note, let us conclude a remarkable, memorable and knowledgeable event. I definitely say that this course has successfully achieved its desired objectives and will help you for building your financial investment plan. It's not possible that each and everyone should get a detailed knowledge about investment in such a short span. But I think it is important that you have to start somewhere about investment at such an early age. This course has given all of you a brief idea about what is investment, the importance of investment, advantages and disadvantages of investment, investment alternatives available in the market. I think this knowledge will prove beneficial to you in your future life. I wish you best of luck for your future endeavors. Go follow your dreams and do what you can do. We sincerely promise you that in the coming years too, we will keep on organizing such add-on courses with some more innovative ideas to nourish your mind and fill you with more knowledge. I congratulate all the participants for taking an active part in this online add-on course and completing all the aspects within the time. At the same time, I appreciate the efforts of Department of Statistics and Head of the Department Statistics, Dr. Archana Dusar and team for arranging such a nice add-on course for the students. Thank you very much.
I congratulate all the students who have participated in the course which was arranged online on the analysis and management, all the staff members who have took the effort to conduct this event for the upliftment of students in the current situation of pandemic, which has emerged in a very different situation. But our college, our staff members are always try to uplift the students, their knowledge in any situation, such as the course on analysis and management has been conducted. I hope all the students who has participated in this event will positively get the benefit by organizing this workshop. I congratulate again all the staff members and students who have participated and taken the efforts for this event. Thank you very much.
शालेय आणि महाविद्यालयीन शिक्षणामध्ये औपचारिक आणि अनौपचारिक पद्धतीने सर्वच विद्यार्थी जीवनावश्यक असे सर्व शिक्षण घेत असतात. परंतु नकळत का होईना एका महत्त्वाच्या विषयाकडे त्यांचं दुर्लक्ष होतं आणि तो विषय आहे आर्थिक बाब. अर्थात आर्थिक बाब म्हटलं की दोनच गोष्टी, दोन महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे माहिती आहेत विद्यार्थ्यांना. एक म्हणजे पैसा कमावणे आणि दुसरा म्हणजे खर्च करणे. आई वडील पैसा कमावत असतात आणि आपल्या मुलांवर खर्च करत असतात. परंतु याच्याही पेक्षा आर्थिक बाबीतली एक सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आहे ती म्हणजे इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणि बचत, सेविंग. म्हणजे गुंतवणूक आणि बचत या दोन गोष्टींचा विचार करण्याची आज नितांत गरज आहे. आणि म्हणूनच आमच्या महाविद्यालयातल्या लेक्चरर अर्चना खंडेलवाल यांनी या विषयावर आधारित एक शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्स स्वतः डिझाईन केला आणि विद्यार्थ्यांच्या हितासाठी तो विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत पोचवला. भविष्यकालीन जीवन समर्थ आणि सुरक्षित करायचं असेल तर त्यासाठी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणि सेव्हिंग या दोन गोष्टींची माहिती असणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे हा विचार करून त्यांनी विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रेरित केलं, आव्हान केलं आणि अनेक विद्यार्थ्यांनी याला अतिशय चांगला प्रतिसाद दिला. त्यांनी व्हॉट्सॲपवर या विषयाबाबत निरनिराळी माहिती टाकली आणि विद्यार्थ्यांनी स्वतःच्या सवडीप्रमाणे त्याचा अभ्यास करून 20 दिवसानंतर त्याची परीक्षा दिली आणि यशस्वीरित्या हा कोर्स संपन्न झाला. विद्यार्थ्यांनी सहभाग दिला त्याबद्दल मी विद्यार्थ्यांचे कौतुक आणि अभिनंदन करते. त्याचप्रमाणे लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात जो रिकामा वेळ मिळाला आहे तो रिकामा वेळसुद्धा शिक्षक या नात्याने विद्यार्थ्यांना काहीतरी देत राहणे ह्या कर्तव्याची जाण ठेवून खंडेलवाल मॅडमनी हा कोर्स विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी तयार करून मेहनत घेऊन विद्यार्थ्यांना प्रेरित केलं. याबद्दल मी त्यांचेसुद्धा खूप खूप अभिनंदन करते. आश्चर्याची गोष्ट म्हणजे या कोर्सला एक डॉक्टरसुद्धा सहभागी झाले होते आणि त्या डॉक्टरांनी अतिशय उत्तम असा रिमार्क पाठवला की ह्या कोर्सची आजच्या काळामध्ये नितांत आवश्यकता आहे. हे कार्य खंडेलवाल मॅडमनी केल्याबद्दल मी पुन्हा एकदा त्यांना धन्यवाद देते. नमस्कार.
Hello everyone, welcome to this session. All dignitaries who have joined us online, all enrolled students of add-on course. First of all, I welcome you all in this valedictory session. It is greatly said that a vote of thanks is formality that conveys a very informal and genuine feeling. First of all, I am thankful to President of today's function, Honorable Taratai Hathwarne, President Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Akola, for guidance and encouragement to us. I take this privilege to express my sincere thanks towards the chief guest of today's function, Shri Honorable Gopalji Khandelwal, for their immense support and cooperation. Special thanks to our principal Dr. J.M. Sabu sir for his valuable guidance and encouragement for arranging this online add-on course. I am also thankful to Dr. Aarti Deshpande madam, who is the add-on committee coordinator, for her valuable guidance and suggestion for conducting this online course. I am also thankful to Dr. Milind Shilbate for his kind support whenever we require him. I also acknowledge our gratitude towards the participants of this course who have registered themselves and attended all the sessions and completed all the formalities. I am also grateful to Dr. Prashant Pisolkar sir, Professor Kavale sir, Dr. Piyush Nale sir, Aditi Mankar madam for their teamwork and kind support for organizing this course. I am also express my thanks to all supporters who are directly or indirectly involved in this course. Thank you very much.